Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin inside messages because that's where Memoji are sent. Tap an existing conversation or compose a new message, then tap the app drawer and select the Memoji stickers icon. If you don't have a Memoji yet, create one now by tapping the plus or edit. This customizes facial features and accessories so the sticker matches you. Once done, scroll the sticker pack to see expressions. Choosing the right face is faster than typing and shows tone instantly. You now pick how to send it. Tap any sticker to place it in the message field or press and drag a sticker onto a chat bubble for inline placement. That attaches it to an existing message. If you want motion, switch to the camera inside messages, choose the Memoji overlay, and record a short video or live photo. This captures your voice and expression. Make sure your Memoji skin and hair settings match the tone you intend, because visuals guide context. Finally, tap the blue send arrow and watch for delivery or read receipts so you know it arrived. If the Memoji fails to display, first ensure iOS is updated and then force close and reopen messages. Network issues can also block animated content. If you still see problems, reboot your iPhone or delete and recreate the Memoji to refresh assets. One quick troubleshooting tip. Confirm both sender and receiver.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.